Hello, we have a very interesting session lined up today. I'm chatting with the founder of one of our fast growing cool homegrown brands, Queen Bee. Welcome, Sakshi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And guys, watch till the end for a wonderful surprise announcement. You don't want to miss it. I love Queen Bee, Sakshi, because it's such a great mix of Indian investment sensibilities, and it's not surprising given your marketer, MBA, and now entrepreneur background.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, especially coming from you. This journey of building Queen Bee with you has been a real learning experience and learning curve for me. So thank you so much.
You are great. Let's start. Let's get into it. Why Queen Bee?
The name came to me as to how I look at women, including myself. We are constantly buzzing with ideas, juggling work, family, as well as our own dreams. I wanted a name that felt royal, as well as it would resonate with people. Nowadays, we wear our crowns very silently.
I love
And
it.
for
We wear our
that,
crowns
yeah,
silently.
and for that, I feel Designs by Queen Bee is what it stands for.
Amazing. And actually, you're right. I mean, the audience that Pearl is also building for, a large part of it is this modern professional woman who has her own independent identity. And I
Right.
know that Queen Bee also speaks a lot to
Right.
that audience. So tell me, in your journey, what have you learned about the style of this woman?
So I feel that now, in today's day and age, women don't only want, they want to look stylish, but they also have the quotient of feeling comfortable and powerful at the same time. It's not only about, the jing bang. It's more to do with clean, sorted silhouettes, which makes a person feel powerful. It makes a person feel that they can take the outfit from morning to evening. And that is one thing that we at Queen Bee really focus on. All our styles and all our designs from scratch always focus on these 2-3 things.
I think so, very much, Sakshi. I think that, you are proving with this new set of homegrown brands that we're seeing on Pearl, you're proving that homegrown doesn't mean artsy, craftsy,
Right.
old world silhouettes,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It means modern silhouettes for the modern Indian woman.
That's what we are trying to adapt to, learning each and every day, interacting with our customers, interacting with you. We get to know so much. We get to learn that, women are actually evolving on a very core level
Yes.
of dressing up, of wearing an outfit and, walking out of their houses in it. So I feel the entire thought of an outfit has changed now. It's not just to wear an outfit. It's how it makes you feel
How it makes,
How
you,
it
feel
makes you feel.
and who you are.
and who you are. Absolutely.
So Sakshi, Queen Bee has grown really well with Pearl. Talk to us about what changed for you after the Pearl community discovered your style.
So Pearl has been a really beautiful turning point in Designs by Queen Bee. The community here really resonates with the design thought process and detailing of our brand, and that is exactly what Queen Bee stands for. The audience that we got to connect with was a very real and short audience who knew what they wanted and who was looking for craftsmanship as well as quality, as well as designing, as well as the right price point. And that is what Pearl gave me.
Awesome. You're building a homegrown brand.
Right.
You didn't do fashion before.
No.
What's hard about this?
As a designer, one wants to pour their heart and soul into the design that they make. But as a founder, as an entrepreneur, I also have to juggle between the logistics, the pricing, the quality. I think understanding that and juggling between the right price point as well as the right quality as well as the right design was the biggest challenge that I faced.
Sakshi, one thing you mentioned to me before we started shooting, which I love, is how you're constantly thinking about all sizes of women. I loved when you said that every time you're designing a piece, you're thinking, how will this look on different sizes of women? And you trash something if you can't imagine it working for everybody. Talk to me about that. It's such few brands actually being that inclusive in their design process.
So yeah, that is absolutely correct. That is exactly how I design. That is one of the reasons that you see that we take out new styles every 3 months, not before that. Although as a retail brand, you need to keep evolving and keep taking on new collections. But my main focus has always been that each and every design has to fit every body type. Indian body types are very different.
Absolutely.
They're more pear shaped and it's not one size fits all or one standard size chart that I can go on. We have mannequins till size 20. We put each and every design on each and every mannequin. If it doesn't fit, we trash it.
That's super cool. It's such a
We
big
trash
gap
it.
in the market, right?
Yeah,
Because Western silhouettes are made by Western brands.
Absolutely.
They don't work for Indian women.
Absolutely.
Right?
And slowly the consumer is changing.
Yeah.
They are understanding that, and hence the homegrown brands like us come and play, where we actually, think about all these things for each and every person.
That's super. That's making a real difference, I think. And that's why brands like yours are so precious to us.
Thank you.
So important to understand which are the ones that are high quality and doing something very different, and actually then bring it to the Pearl tribe.
Thank you.
Okay, Sakshi, final question for you, especially for the homegrown brands listening. How has being on Pearl helped a brand like this?
Being on Pearl made me realize how important it is to connect to the right audience. And Pearl understands the limitations of a homegrown brand like mine. Also, we brands, we need validation, and Pearl brings that validation to us.
I know it's very hard for consumers today to know what brands to trust, where
Yes.
the quality lies.
Especially on Instagram, like people keep asking us, okay, you might be fake, how do we
Yeah.
trust you? And we're like, it's fine, you don't have to, you can shop from Pearl. That is a validated platform.
Super. Awesome. So now for the big announcement, two things actually. Number one, we are launching 2 exclusive styles of Queen Bee on Pearl. I'm very excited. In typical Queen Bee fashion, they are stylish, but comfortable to wear, and perfect for Christmas parties, cocktails, maybe a few weddings, and maybe New Year's Eve. I personally love them, and I'm very excited about both colors. Do check them out. And Sakshi's giving wonderful pricing for the next few weeks, so grab them. Second announcement is that every order of Queen Bee on Pearl is going to get a special free gift till December. So very exciting. Gotta run. I gotta do some shopping on Pearl. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us, Sakshi.
Thank you.